Hello students, hope you are safe at home. I am Mrs. Jayanti Vincent conducting the class for Standard 5. Let's move on to the lesson. This is our first lesson in English class for the class 5. It is Unit 1, Exploring Space. Here we have Nila, who is inviting us to space and to also introduces us this lesson, which is very interesting and an imaginative story. Let us move on to the little Pictionary that is we have here. The first word is Milky Way, the galaxy that contains our solar system. Earth, the planet on which we live. Space Shuttle, the third one, a spacecraft designed to be used for traveling to a space station. Fourth one, Solar System, the sun and all the planets that move around it. Fifth one, Universe, the whole of the space and everything in it, including the planets, the stars and galaxies. Let us move on to the lesson, the earth, the desolated home. Meaning of desolated, which means the habitants, which is place not suitable for living, which the place which is left alone. The earth, which is being polluted by the people who lived here. So they all have traveled through the space shuttle to Mars. It is an imaginative story. It happened in the year 2068. Humans had destroyed the earth and they started colonizing the red planet called Mars. So there are 3 colonies established by India alone. So here we have Arivumati's family. A girl named Arivumati is living in one such family. On her birthday, her grandfather traveled more than 1,500 kilometers to meet her. When he came there, he saw her sleeping in her capsule. Capsule in the sense here I want to say is the place where they go to sleep in the Mars. Okay, so that is the place where Arivumati was sleeping. This refers to me a small incident that happened in the famous picture Avatar, where the scientists go to sleep in a small capsule. So the same way you can have an idea and imagine about that capsule. And then here we have very important thing to say is the grandfather has traveled more than 1,500 kilometers, which took him 3 souls. Souls in the sense there are 3 days, that is Meridian solar days, Meridian day. Here in Mars they have 687 days makes a year. How many days are there for us in the earth? We have 365 days, which makes a year. So there are more days for the Mars compared to the earth. So I am just explaining you to the lesson rather than reading the whole of the lesson, which will be very interesting for you to listen to the lesson. After that, you can see your own videos and read the lesson carefully to do the worksheet which will be given after the lesson explanation. Next we move on to the grandfather. When she saw Arivumati, she was very surprised to see grandfather on her birthday. She was very happy also. So both went to see the vegetation hub for vegetables that have been very ready for harvest. There were some carrots in the vegetation hub. Grandfather and Arivumadi, when they saw it, Arivumadi was very happy to see the carrots, and she said the carrots are very nicely grown. But grandfather said it is not very good like those in the earth. The earth, there were very rich and nicely grown vegetables. But Ariyamati moves on to say that she heard the people in the earth use chemical fertilizers and polluted the soil. But in Mars they had unpolluted food and water. So she was very distinct, correctly saying to her grandfather. But grandfather said, the vegetables and fruits that you eat may be good here, but the earth were the best. So she was little enough about the stories about the earth. She got angry and said to her father, I know that it is difficult to live here than to live in the earth. It is very difficult to adapt to the situation in the Mars, but it will make you easy as things move on. So in the earth we no need to have any space suit or oxygen cylinders. All the years longer they were getting everything very easily there. But here in Mars it was very difficult for them to get even air. So they were very comparing the Mars and the earth in the lesson. Next they move on to the place, and then as they were talking, Ariyamati told her grandfather, don't worry grandfather, the scientists are ready to do the terraform on the Mars. The terraform is a process or which a surface and climate could be changed to make the environment suitable for the humans. But grandfather was very this thing to say earth is our home. So he did not like to stay more in the Mars, but here they are reluctantly staying in the Mars. But they started to celebrate Ariyamati's birthday and enjoyed the day. This is the explanation of the lesson, children. Hope you understood the lesson. Please read the lesson with this explanation so that it is easy for you to understand the lesson better, and to do the worksheet, that is I have given you dictation words, meanings, opposites, past tense, plurals, and choose the correct answer and fill-ups. To choose the correct answer and fill-ups, you can do it yourself by seeing the explanation. Hope you have understood. Thank you. See you next video.